In this video, you will learn how to change the Microsoft Office document background to black while displaying the text in white. You will also discover how to enable a full dark theme across the Microsoft Word interface, making it much more comfortable to work during nighttime hours. Begin by opening Microsoft Word. You can launch it from the taskbar or search for it using the Start menu. Once Word is open, create a new document. By default, the page background is white and the text is black. To change the document's appearance, navigate to the Design tab in the top menu. The layout may vary slightly depending on your version of Microsoft Office, but the options are generally the same. Within the Design tab, locate the Page Color option. Select it and choose black. If you don't immediately see this option, switch tabs and return to the Design tab. Once applied, the document background will appear black, and the text will automatically switch to white. This is the fastest way to achieve a black page with white text in Microsoft Word. At this stage, only the document page is in dark mode, while the rest of the Word interface remains in standard colors. To apply dark mode to the entire application, open the File menu and select Account. In the Account section, find the Office Theme option, which is available in newer versions of Microsoft Office. Select the black theme to apply a dark appearance to menus, panels, and toolbars. After returning to your document, both the interface and the page will now appear in dark mode. If you prefer a dark interface while keeping the page background white, go back to the Design tab, open Page Color, and select black. At first, this might seem confusing. Why does selecting black make the page appear white in dark mode? Here's why. Dark mode doesn't actually change the document's page color. Instead, it changes how the page is displayed on your screen to reduce eye strain. In dark mode, Word inverts page colors for better visibility. White page color appears dark. Black page color appears white. This is why you need to select Page Color Black to see a white page while the interface is in dark mode. Don't worry, this only affects how it looks on screen. Printing and sharing your document will remain completely normal. Using dark mode can greatly reduce eye strain, especially when working late at night, and provides a cleaner, more comfortable visual experience. You can also experiment with other page colors while keeping the overall interface in dark mode to suit your personal preference and working environment. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.